Hey everyone, today is day 10 of our Learning English Challenge journey, speaking in front of the camera. I'm so really excited. I show up day 10 as well. And today we're going to speak English and practice our speaking English. For me, this is how I do. This is how I learn English. I just want to speak in front of the camera every day, make a video while I speak in English. And the second, I want to, speak in front of the mirror. I got a mirror on my wall, and I was just stand in front of that mirror. I just want to speak in front of the mirror as well and practice my English there. So this video, when I'm making videos, about 10 minutes to 7 minutes. So every day, if I do make video and speak 10 minutes English, and besides, I'm gonna speak in front of the camera another 10 minutes, 10 minutes. That's 20 minutes practice every day, right? And the 30, I'm gonna practice English online platforms like that platforms, applications, people, they practice English in online. I wanna practice for me, I practice my English in Hello Talk. So that is how I practice my English, and that is how I wanna become fluently. So if this makes sense to you, watch this video and learn English with me. So this is how I want to become fluently, and I practice and I already see the results because of I have no doubt to if I become fluent or not, because of I made one challenge. I finished that challenge and it was 90 days. It was 90 days. If you watch my other video, you may see that challenge. If you want to see that challenge, you can review my videos and you're gonna see. So there is challenge 90 days. So I've been speaking English 90 days consistently, and I level up my English from A1 level to B1, B2 level. That is huge progress. That's not something that we should ignore. This is huge progress, just 90 days. And I level up that level. I learn many words. I understand English completely. My speaking getting better every single day. I see new improvement. I'm flowing, like my progress flowing. I'm really so excited. So, and this all is just speaking in front of the camera, 7 minutes, 10 minutes, 8 minutes, something that people, they think, oh, this is a little bit minutes, it's not make sense to me, I should ignore it. What happens if I just speak English 10 minutes? Is that makes me fluent? It does. Why not? It can make you fluent. So if you English learner, 1 minute helps. If you practice every single day 1 minute, that can help you speak better English. But the most people, they just think if they think 10 minutes is not make sense, like it doesn't make them fluently or speak English. Even not fluently, if that makes you reach progress or level up your English, that's something you should not ignore. So just start to learn English, speaking English, your English learner, and everything is step by step. So small steps counts, just small steps every day. Learn new word, learn new sentences, learn new phrases, idiom, understanding one context in English, understanding one grammar. This is like step by step. Just keep doing, That is how I practice my English. And the most thing I avoid is giving up, quitting. That is fail. When you really fail is when you quit. And the most people, they think if they make mistakes, if people laugh at them, if they feel a little bit embarrassing or something, they think they fail or something like that. I do not care about people laughing at me. I do not care about making mistakes. If you know grammar better, you may see this video many mistakes, and I do not care. Like, it's normal to make mistakes. I'm a learner, you're a learner, and we all make mistakes. So always do not think about mistakes or people laughing at you, or when you try to approach person who speak better English, saying hi to them. It's a normal thing to talk to them and people say hi. So for me, this is how I practice my English. I've been doing that for last 4 months, and I see huge progress. And if you want to know this is true or not, you can check and, you know, scroll down my old video, the way I speaking, everything, I'm getting better, bro. Speaking getting better, the video I make even getting better, the way how I make videos, I'm learning. So if you're English learner and always embarrassing while you're speaking English, or when it comes to speaking English, you should not, bro. You should just speak English and start. And the second one you should not ignore is small tips, small minutes. Like when you speak in English, 1 minute, when you're learning one word, when you're learning one sentence, all that counts. When you're watching one video in English or one podcast, people just think it doesn't make sense. Of course, it doesn't make sense first 10 minutes, first 10 days, first 10 like week. It not make sense. You're not gonna see huge progress overnight, but it does. You're improving, you don't know. So always progress is invisible. So you just think I'm not improving, why I'm not moving anywhere, why I just wasting my time learning one word a day or speaking in front of the mirror 1 minute. All that you just think that not counting, but it really works. It helps you so much. So if you're English learner and serious about learning English, do not ignore to learn one word per day. Do not ignore to learn one sentence. Speak in front of the mirror 1 minute. When you wake up in the morning, speak English. I'm woke up. I'm gonna cook something, you know, wash my face, whatever. Like just use small sentences and keep doing it. So the most when small minutes make sense is when you do it over time. If you do that 3 months, you will see huge progress. You're speaking, you're confident, you're understanding, all. So, but the day you say, "Oh, I don't want to speak English 1 minute because it not make sense to me. I cannot reach any, goal to speak English 1 minute. That not makes me fluently," and you just watching TikTok, you like reels, Instagram, scrolling people who not makes you anything, like just scrolling. Which one is better? You can answer that question at the comment. Which one is better? Speaking every single day 1 minute in English, or any language you wanna learn, or any skills you wanna improve, or just saying, "Oh, this not make sense." That's when you really fail, because you think 1 minute you cannot improve from 1 minute, and then you just stop even the 1 minute. You lose the 1 minute, you're not improving, you just stay in there, stuck some level. So always, guys, do not ignore small things. It counts really so much. This is how I learn English. For me, I speak in front of the camera every day, make video. One day I skip, one day I show up, and I'm totally okay with that. And also I speak in front of the mirror and just practice English, talking to myself while at home, chilling, making tea. I'm making tea, I'm squashing the ginger, my like water spoiling. Use that small words, and even if the incorrect, you still speak in English. So the second thing is mistakes. Like everybody makes mistakes. Focus on understanding. If the person understands you, focus that. Don't talk about like what I mistake, this S, I need to use that, I need to pull out why I do that. Don't banish yourself. Everybody make mistakes. And the most important thing, if you with a native speaker or somebody who speaks English very well, he love to help you. He not gonna laugh at you. Trust me. Even if he laugh at you, it doesn't mean it, bro. He just gonna help you out. I meet many native speakers, and they just, "Oh, you speak in my language." They even found you like a talented person. How do you know my language? When I meet a person who is speaking my own language, just one word, I just say, "Oh, how do you know that word?" I'm a bit curious how he know my language. I'm just curious. And right now we're thinking while we're learning languages, the person he gonna laugh at me. Bro, he curious. He just found you talented. He think you're amazing. How do you know the language? And you right now you think, "Oh, if he laughed at me, do I make mistakes? What should I do?" Ignore all of that stuff. Just start learning language and do mistakes, but show up. Just make mistakes, show up, and that mistakes become correctly. It become, improvement. So just make mistakes and keep doing so. Nobody laugh at you. Nobody even care what you make mistakes, the way you're speaking, your accent, all that stuff is something that you can improve. It's just your decision. It's just up to you whether you want to change or whether you ignore it. So always start. So guys, that is our video today. I'm going to wrap up this video. It's just an inspiring video. Those who want to learn languages and want to improve their language, this video is just for you. If you're watching until here, absolutely legend, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and learn English with me. I'm English learner. My name is Mukhtar. I'm from Somalia, and I just learn English this way while I speak in front of the mirror, in front of the camera, talking to people, just communicating. So that's how I learn English, and I love to help you guys. If you have any question, anything that you need help about, any question, write down at the comment below. I would definitely answer you if I'm able to. And something I help you. The most people watching my video is just better than me. They know more than what I know. So yeah, just write down one word, just write down anything, your English level. For me, my English level just B2 level, B1 level. It's a bit shaky, but hopefully I'm pretty confident. I can become fluent and speak better English day by day. So see you guys next video. Have a good one.